It's okay, it's operating. Just got to try and refamiliarise myself, but when I put this in the rack, so I think I found it sometimes I use the kind of soft keys as such, and very rarely use the remote, I think, because it was pretty close near to the rack. So audio cell. Right, gotcha. Okay, right, gotcha. Okay. And then those B inputs. Right. So it comes up on the display there. Good. That's what I want to see. Well, what else has it got? I think it's got other type of matrixing on it. It's below there on the offset. Right, gotcha. Listening mode. Right. Oh yeah, I heard a relay click. Yeah. Yeah. Neo. Oh yeah. Neural. And that. Yeah. Okay. All the other modes won't be used. That mode will be used. I suppose that, but maybe not. So that one will be used. I've got to work it out. That probably also additionally used, depending on sound format of a film that I'm going to be playing here. No, I don't think that mode would be used. That mode, yep, for specific type movies. Don't think that mode would be used, but I'll have to play it by ear and have a listen to see how the vector steering and all that goes on with it. Doubtful that mode. Not too sure. No. Yeah. Probably give that a check. Digital input, coaxial, optical, but only RCA phono would be used. Yeah, should work, I think. It's indicating there. Of course, 2-channel on there, and then it's then kind of what kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll be 5 channels. If I could work out the sub out, I could probably augment the side and the back, because use this one, another one of these for the back. It's kind of like yeah, I'm kind of thinking whether that's a little bit too much. how good the back surround is for stereo surround on 7.1, and for the one for the back would only be used as and when. And I've got to figure out. Yes. Yeah, this is not happening tonight. I've got to get some extra. I've got to get some extra cable. This is probably a project, probably in the next, so I have to work out what I'm going to have to trade off and shift some of the gear up, equipment up. Just giving it some thought.
Get away from her, you bitch!